the best $200 keyboard money can buy. That is what we're building today. Our parts consist of a polycarbonate plate, a KBD Fans Tofu 65 in E-White, a DZ65 RGB hot swap PCB, and one of the smoothest linear switches on the market right now, Gateron Black Inks, which I'll be lubing with 205 grade 0. I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan of the lubing process, but it is definitely necessary for a good sound. When lubing your own switches, you want to make sure you brush the stem, the bottom housing, and finally the spring. And when put all together, should sound a lot smoother. The issue is this needs to be done with 60 more switches, which I'm obviously not going to show. But after a painstakingly long 4 hours, it is time to build the keyboard. First, we screw in our Durock V2 stabs, easily the most mainstream and high quality stabilizers that you can get. After doing that for the rest, it's time to put in our case foam and insert and screw in the PCB into the case. Now we can finally place our black inks in there after putting in the plate. And then it's time for keycaps. I went with low profile, old school sort of keycaps for this build. The person I'm sending this to said they're gonna get different keycaps anyways. And this is the final reveal. And here's a little sound test for those wondering.